Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment is acquiring Redbox Entertainment Inc. So Redbox has been sold to Chicken Soup for the Soul Entertainment, and now Redbox will belong to that entertainment company. Today, the stock price of Redbox Entertainment has dropped 33.83%, and the stock is now trading at $3.70. The volume today is at 52 million shares that have exchanged hands, and we still have at least 3 hours to go before the close of market. And the average volume would typically be about 10 million. So lots of interest in Redbox Entertainment. 52-week low is at $1.61, and 52-week high is $27.22. Today's range is from $2.80 all the way up to $5.98. If you look at the 5-day graph, you can see that Redbox Entertainment has just been dropping slowly but steadily. And today we have it at $3.70. Now, something interesting happened with Redbox. If you look at the monthly graph, you can see here how a month ago the stock on April 11th was trading at about $1.92. And it had a steady and slow rise until May 2nd. It hit about $10.49, and it happened all within the blink of an eye, so the stock really jumped hard that day. And from that May 2nd, it just started going downhill from there. That day, I remember, was quite an interesting day. A lot of people were interested in what was going on with Redbox, and I believe on that same day you also had Blue Apron, which were soaring. Everybody was jumping on the bandwagon. But since that happened, you guys can see the stock is slowly dropping down from more than $10. It's less than almost a third of what it was at $3.65. Now, I don't have the full details on the terms of this buyout, but I don't know how much it's going to cost, how much they're offering for the shareholders per share. And I don't know if there's preferred shares and all of the intricacies, but I'm sure within the next couple of days, all of that will be coming out in the public, and then you can make a decision for yourself. But even as we speak, you guys can see on your screen, the stock price keeps going down. It's gone down 2 percentage points more from the time we started recording. Right now we are sitting at a minus 35%, and the stock is trading at $3.63. So just be mindful, the whole market as a collective is going downward. It's trending downward, except for some very specific sectors like the energy sector that has proven to be resilient. Commodities, so like food, grain, those are also resilient. So just be careful. There's inflation out there. Liquidity is hard to get by. So watch out once, twice, 3 times wherever you want to put your money. Taking a 34% loss in a single day, that will throw many people off kilt. So think twice, think 3 times, think as many times as you need before you drop your hard-earned money on the market. So you can see below on the bottom right of your screen that the performance outlook for Redbox Entertainment is in the green for the short term. Mid-term is also green, but long-term it is negative. Long-term being 9 months plus. And it stands to reason because that's very far out. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Is Netflix going to bounce back and take over all of these services that Redbox Entertainment offers, and people move on to streaming services? Those are all questions that we have no answer to right now. So there you go. You have Redbox Entertainment, which is down today 34%. And for those who are invested in the company, I would strongly suggest you take a deep, long look at yourself in the mirror. Ask yourself, a company that's been trending downwards for the past month, would that be a good investment for your hard-earned money? And do you hope to get some form of returns anytime soon or much later? And then the whole business model, because Redbox doesn't just take care of their kiosks, they also service the kiosks of other vendors. So it's not just a one, a business that caters just to itself, but it has also other businesses that it works with and deals with. So there you have it. I will catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.